Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain your favorite tea girl and your latest spicy madam. So today I'm going to show you how to make soothing yarrow facial toner by yourself. So this means that it is a do-it-yourself recipe and you don't need to start looking for it because you can buy all the ingredients you need around you. Many skincare brands are launching products with herbs at the forefront. With the popularization of essential oils all over the globe, many people now realize that the incredible potential of herbal ingredients. Herbs are added to skincare products for a variety of benefits like moisturizing, treating acne, inflammation, and reducing the signs of aging or even preventing the acne itself. So facial toners and primers are one of the more popular skin products that utilize herbs and require few ingredients with minimum processing. Toners have been recommended mostly for removing dirt and oil left over after removing makeup or to restore proper pH balance after washing your face, soothing the skin and preventing breakouts without over drying it. Okay, so they are also to help prepare and hydrate the skin, making makeup application easier, not to mention the incredible aroma it leaves you with. Some toners in the market even claim to prevent signs of aging. You can hear, oh, anti-aging toner and the rest of them. I hope most of your skincare vendors or plugs must have shown you that. So yarrow helps to reduce redness. For those of you that have facial, because you see some people, their faces are always red, smutting, they are irritated and all of that. So yarrow helps to reduce redness and soothe inflamed skin from minor blemishes, insect bites, and other skin irritations. The anti-inflammatory benefits of yarrow for skin are provided by the lactones and tannins in the herbs, along with antioxidant compounds. If you don't want to use yarrow, there are other herbs that could be used in this same formula. When sourcing, there are other herbs you can use. When sourcing herbs for toner, you will want to use botanicals with similar properties like spearmint, rose, chamomile, and lavender. All of them have have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing attributes that really works. Okay, so how do you make it? You need just two ingredients: 480 grams of vodka. That is you can get Magic Moment. I recommend, in case you can't find any good vodka around, I use Magic Moment to make mine. Then you can get 1 cup of yarrow flowers. That is about 10 grams. So how do you even do it? Very simple. All you need to do is to place the yarrow flowers in your jar or maybe a container. I prefer using glass bottle, like glass jars. So pour the yarrow flower inside, then pour the vodka inside, then cover it and let it stay for like 4 to 6 weeks. Then I shake mine, and I want you to be doing your own. Shake it gently every day until it is ready. So whenever it is ready, just filter it or strain it however you see it. Just filter it, then pour it in your bottle. Like if you have all these spray bottles or anything, then you don't need to refrigerate it because alcohol is already a preservative. So keep it. You can put it into a spray bottle for easy application, or you can use your cotton bud or your cotton wool to be using it to dap your face. Before you know it, you will have a glowy skin, a very beautiful skin shining out here. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, put on your notification button, like, share with your friends. Bye bye, see you next time.